Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are KoolTech Sdn Bhd, a company founded by 4 students from UniKL MIIT in 2025. Our mission is simple: smart living made accessible. We focus on creating smart technologies that support the elderly and people with disabilities, helping them live more independently and safely. Next. So this is our group members, which is me, Khairul Rijal, and Mariam, Lokman, and Maisara. We go to the problem statement.
So for the problem statement, everyday task is like an opening a fridge can be a very big challenge for some people. Heavy doors, hard to reach shelves, and forgetting what inside are very common issues for elderly individual. So caregiver also struggle because they constantly need to monitor and remind them about meals and medications. This is inspire us to create a solution. Let us introduce our solution, which is next. Our innovation are Smart Accessible Refrigerator, or as known as SAR.
So our smart fridge has 4 key features: a push to open door for easy access, voice reminders for meals and medicine, an internal camera for remote checking, and expiry alerts for food safety. Next. To build it, we follow a simple process. We start with research, then develop the tech, build a prototype, test it with user, and plan the launch. This ensures our product is both innovation and truly neat. Next.
So let's proceed to the next slide. Market potential and opportunities. Our main target market include elderly individuals, people with disabilities, caregivers, and healthcare facilities. So basically, with Malaysia's aging population, the growing smart home industry, and the potential for healthcare partnership and exports, SAR has strong local and global opportunities. For the strengths and customer value, what makes SAR is unique is that it combines innovation with inclusivity. Thus, SAR is more than just a product, but it's a solution that truly improves life.
So for our strength, weakness, opportunities, and also threat, for strength, we have an inclusive design, smart tech integration, and also unique market positioning. For our weaknesses, it costs very high and also very hard brand recognition, and it's very internet dependency. So if the house doesn't have Wi-Fi, it may be hard to access our apps. The next one is our opportunity because it was an aging population, IoT market growth, healthcare collaboration, and export potential. We can market this to the global world because we know it's a problem for every countries. The threat is we have a few global competitors, imitation products, and also raw material costs are very high, and also tech adoption barriers. Next.
In conclusion, the Smart Accessible Refrigerator represents how innovation can be driven by empathy and purpose. With SAR, we aim to create a future where technology empowers everyone, regardless of age or ability. Thank you. That's all from us.